showdown is concerned. Now, BJP charts nationwide awareness drive to shape narrative on Waqf law reform. Sources also indicate that elaborate planning has been done by the BJP to ensure there are no major disruptions in the country, especially after what has been seen during the CAA protest and the abrogation of Article 370. Let me now go across to my colleague Payal Mehta on this broadcast. Payal, take us through this nationwide awareness drive that is being planned by the BJP at this point.
BJP has put their General Secretary in charge, Radha Mohan Das Agarwal, in charge of organizing the programs for the entire country. Ministers, MPs, MLAs, they'll all be going to the district-wise, across the entire country, talking over the saner features of the Waqf Amendment Board and how it is going to help the genuine Muslims, how it's going to get them their rights, going to ensure transparency and make sure that women empowerment really happens. So, as part of that, probably Kiran Rijiju today has traveled to Kerala to, in fact, dish out what really the centre means by by passing such a legislation, Sharon. So, obviously, that such a drive has been planned, and they had a national workshop just about last week in the national capital. Now they'll have a district-wise workshop. They'll ensure that they have communication with the people at large. There'll be, of course, seminars that will be organized with women, especially Muslim women, with intellectuals, and of course, people from the society who can actually understand what this law really stands for.
All right. Many thanks, Payal, for getting us that information. Now, after the Waqf Amendment Bill has been passed, BJP is now planning a nationwide awareness program on the same. Now,